Hi, this is Umar. For the past few days, we have been posting videos on various strategies and how to manage them or how to adjust them. And the support I am getting from you is something great. I am grateful to you for the support, motivation, belief, and hope you all have in me. And since you are having so much of hope and the way you support me, it is my duty and responsibility to prove I am fully capable person in what I do. You cannot tell a school teacher to go to and teach medicine, right? Or you take any field, you will require an experienced person to share the knowledge with others so that the others also benefit. The same thing applies to stock market also. You need to know if the person you are following is genuine so that you get confidence. Unfortunately, in India, many scammers talk so much about the stock market. They talk about the technicals, they talk about fundamentals, they buy options, they sell options, they invest, they relate stock market with astrology, numerology, vastu and whatnot. They talk all types of things in the social media, and if you ask them their P&L, they will not respond. But for a person to be successful in the stock market, he must be profitable consistently, right? That's why I have decided to share my profit and loss account for the last 3 years. I will in this video share profit and loss account of my trading account from 2017 till 2020. And also consider subscribing to this channel as your support really motivates us. There is a Telegram channel for which the link is in the description, where we have gathered like-minded people and we discuss many things relating to options and stock market. If you want, you can join there as well. So what I am going to do is I am going to log into Zerodha console, that is the back office system of Zerodha. We'll first log in. Apart from this account, I have 2 more trading accounts in my father's name and in my mother's name. I handle those accounts also. For now, I will show you the profit and loss of my personal account. This is the personal account. This is a small capital account. We'll go to reports and we will go to tax profit and loss, tax PL. And this account I have been using actively using since FY 2017. If you want, I will show for FY 2015 and 2016, and statement not available for the requested period. Yeah, because I am not trading in those years. And even I will select 16, 17 and I will see what happens. Nothing will happen because I am not using that account in the year 16-17. And in FY 20, I have selected FY 2017 and FY 18, and we'll see what yeah. So we have got the complete details here. I am not an investor, so I don't do anything much in equity, so we'll skip to currency. And I also don't trade in currency or forex and F&O. This is the part where we do all the things. And if you see, we have made a loss of 500 rupees in futures, and we have made a profit of around 2 lakhs in options. The total charges I have paid as brokerage, not only brokerage, of course there are also other charges like security transaction charges, GST and exchange charges and so on. And the total option turnover is around 25 lakhs. You note it down and you will I will tell you why this turnover, about this turnover in few minutes. And the total profit we made in the financial year 2000 FY 2017-2018 is around 2 lakhs. Yeah, and of course commodity I don't trade, and mutual fund no. So my core thing is in futures and options only. Now I will go and select 2018, financial year 2018-2019. Yeah, and if you see equity, I don't do anything. Currency also I don't do anything, and F&O. We made a loss of 600 rupees in futures. We made a we made a profit of around 6.58 lakhs in options, and the total charges I have paid is around 38,000, and the total turnover is 1.29 crores. The total gross profit is 6.57 lakhs. This is for the year 18, FY 18 and FY 19. Commodities no, mutual funds no. Yeah. Now we'll go and search FY 19-20. Yeah, in FY 19-20, equity I have not done anything, currency I have not done anything. In FNO, futures and option, we made a profit of 1 lakh in futures. We made a profit of 4.9 lakhs, around 5 lakhs in options trading. The total charges I have paid is around 58,000, and the total turnover is 1.78 crores, and the total gross profit is 6 lakh. This is for the year FY 19-20, and commodity I don't do anything, mutual fund also 0. And we will go to the year 2021. Yeah, this is the best part. I will tell you why. Futures we made a loss of around 71,000. Options we made a loss of around 2 lakhs. Total charges I have paid is around 1 lakh rupees. You note this down. The total charges I have paid is around 1 lakh. Charges alone is 1 lakh rupees. And you see the turnover 3.45 crores. That is the highest turnover when it comes to this account. And the total loss is around 2.8 lakhs. You know why we have made we have paid around 1 lakh charges to brokers? Because it was the toughest year in my trading career, and obviously you know what has happened in 2020. We were hit by coronavirus, the pandemic was there, and so much of panic was in the market. Market crashed like anything. From 14,000 in just 20 trading sessions, it has come to 7,500, and I had to put lot of fight. I have had to struggle. I had so many sleepless night just to cover up my losses, just to be in the market. Yeah, that it was like one of the most toughest year. I had to do so many things. Market was so much volatile. I struggled a lot just to be in the market, just to save the capital what I have put. So this is about my trading account, and whatever I have showed you is live, and you can see everything. Yeah. Now apart from this, as I told you, I handle 2 more trading accounts. One is my father's name and one is my mother's name. The total capital deployed in these accounts are approximately 10 lakhs plus minus. And let me tell you, some traders make more money than what I make, and I don't compare them with me. I am happy with what I do, and I work hard day and night to achieve my goals. See, I am an option seller. I know only to sell options. If you give me 1 crore and tell me to buy an option, I am sure I will lose all the money. And this is in a market where more than 95% of the traders lose money. You go to Google and see how many people make money in the market. Less than 5%. I have managed to double my capital in less than 4 years. I have made good money when the market was good, and I have made minimal losses when the market is bad. And even though I have made a profit in previous years, it does not mean I will make a profit in the coming years. Markets are markets, and anything can happen, and we have to live with it. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.